Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In today's video, I want to talk about an email marketing tool that is growing fast, especially for small businesses and people who are just starting out. The name of the tool is Zoho, and you might have heard about MailChimp or ConvertKit, but maybe you are wondering, should I try Zoho campaigns instead? So let's find out what the platform is, what you get with it, if it's free or not, and whether it's worth using for your business. And just like always, I have added the official Zoho campaign link and latest updated information in the description below. So check that out after watching this video. Okay, so Zoho campaign is an email marketing tool made by Zoho, which is a big software company that also offers other businesses apps. With Zoho campaigns, you can create email and send newsletter, automate message, and track how people are opening and clicking on your emails. Let's say you have a small business or YouTube channel. If you want to send emails to your followers every week or maybe promote a product, Zoho Campaigns gives you tools to do that without needing to know coding. Is it free or not? Now here is the good part. Zoho Campaigns has a free plan, and the free version lets you send up to 6,000 email per month and up to 200 contacts. That's pretty generous, especially for small users. You also get basic templates, drag and drop editor, and even email automation in the free plan. But if you need advanced automation, A/B testing, or if you want to remove the Zoho branding from your emails, then you will need a paid plan. The paid plans are actually cheaper than most competitors, so it's good for people on a budget. Zoho Campaigns is easy to use, but the design might feel a little old school compared to modern tools like MailerLite or ConvertKit. Still, the email editor works fine, and there are a lot of features like contact list management, email template, and automation setup. One of the good thing is if you use other Zoho app like Zoho CRM or Zoho Forms, you can connect everything together. That gives you a full business system under one account. Now for the downside, Zoho can sometimes feel a little slow, especially when loading reports. And also, if you are completely new, the dashboard might feel a bit too technical at first, but once you try it for a few days, it becomes easier. So overall, Zoho Campaigns is a solid and budget-friendly tool for email marketing. It's great for beginners and small teams. The free plan gives you good enough to start, and the paid plans are affordable. Now check the description for the official site and new updates. And if you like this review video, then hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple, honest reviews like this. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.